Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you are new to my channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got my Traxxas Maxx version 2 out with me and we're going to rip her in the snow today. So we're going to run a 4-cell pack, let me get her hooked up and we'll get started ripping. Now guys, this is a bone stock machine. I haven't done any upgrades to this machine whatsoever and so far I haven't broken anything and I've just had a lot of fun with it. You know what, let me switch my mic around so you guys can hear the RC a little bit better. Alrighty, I think we need to start off with a launch. Are you guys ready? Get set, go! It's pretty quick. I did a speed test with this thing on 3S and 4S. If you want to check out that video, I will go ahead and leave a card in the corner. Feel free to check it out. What do you say about hitting the snowbank? We'll come up, build up some speed off the pavement over there, off the parking lot, and jump her down the hillside. Now, my experience with the Max so far, just for reference, I own a V1 and a V2. My V1 is actually upgraded quite a bit. And the one thing I've gathered from owning two Maxes at this point is these are very durable trucks. Probably some of the most durable bashers out there on the market. Probably the two toughest trucks I own. I'm able to jump these things super high. They land really bad half the time, and somehow they just don't break. So let's see if that's the case in today's bash. Let's build up some speed and hit the snowbank. Alrighty, and here we go. A little bit of air. Alright, let's build up a little bit more speed this time. I got kicked sideways a little bit that time. Let's come up the back side of the snowbank. All right, let's try it again. Such a smooth jumping machine. You know what? Let's go down here in the snow and rip around a little bit. And then we'll resume the jumping. Also, by the way, if you guys are enjoying this video with the Traxxas Maxx, make sure to show your support by hitting that like button. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out on new content. All right, let's go into some of the untouched snow over here. Maybe get another launch. Launch! You know what? There's some rocks over here. Let's see how this thing does rock crawling. Obviously, this is a sensorless brushless system, so it's not super smooth at low RPMs, meaning it's not meant for crawling. But we can see how she does nonetheless. Open diff, stock diff fluid, pretty low clearance. Nice. How about launch on the pavement? Ready, get set, go! Almost lost control over there. Let's go for a flyby. Here we go. I am pinned. See, you can kind of see those tires are still ballooning up a little bit. They're better than the V1, but they still balloon up some. One more flyby. Pinned. You can kind of see the things dancing a little bit, so that's not ideal for going high speed on pavement. And I do notice with the longer wheelbase, this thing doesn't pop wheelies as instantaneously as the V1. Like you can see, it'll still pop a wheelie. But the V1 just is popping wheelies left and right because of the short wheelbase. All right, we'll hit the snowbank again. Building up some speed. I swear I lost power in the air. It felt like I didn't have any throttle in the air. And on the throttle. There, that was much better. I don't think we're going to get backflips. We just don't have the proper lip. Yeah, it keeps on shutting my power down. What is going on? There we go, we're good. And it just killed my power. Did we already hit low voltage mode? I would find that surprising since this is a 6500 milliamp 4-cell pack and I did have it fully charged, but let's see. Let me get the body off, see which light is blinking. Right, let's see. Nope, it's heat. I think the machine's getting too hot, so we might have to let her cool down. Let her cool down a couple minutes and we'll resume bashing. Alrighty guys, I let her cool down a couple minutes, so hopefully she's cool enough to keep on bashing. We'll see how long this VXL 4S lasts, because my experience with this in the V1, it worked pretty good, but as time went on, after having it for like 4 or 5 months, the ESC started getting slower and slower. Like I'd pull the throttle to full throttle, and it had like a lag before it actually went. So, and I feel like I'm already starting to notice it a little bit with this ESC. I've had this RC for like 4 or 5 months. I haven't used it as much as my V1, but I feel like the ESC is starting to get sluggish. Maybe I'm just imagining it, but I wouldn't be a bit surprised if this ESC gives out, because the ESC seems okay when it's brand new, but as time goes on, the ESC just gets laggier and laggier. And then my last one hit a critical error, so I replaced it with a Maxx 6 from Hobby. I'll probably throw something like that in if this one gives too. The motor's very strong though. I love the motor. The motor's very good in these machines. The other motor in my V1, which is the exact same motor, has taken 6S no problem for probably like the last 8 months. So it's pretty amazing. Did it kill my power again? I wonder if it killed my power again, because that's definitely not full power. What is going on with this thing? Yeah, voltage. Too big of a voltage draw, I guess. Hopefully we're good to keep on ripping. We can go over here where there's less snow. Snow is fun, but obviously it's putting quite a bit of strain on the system running through it. And it kills the battery. Around the tree, slalom course. Nope, it killed my power again, guys. Bummer. I don't know, it probably is just going to keep on hitting over voltage, and I don't really have time to waste sitting around. I got to keep on moving. But nonetheless, if you did enjoy this video, even though it was short, go ahead, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, and stay tuned for the next video with this machine. Later.